Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it and start the hunt for today. Today, the 29th of December, Monday. So, who's ready? We've got few stocks to watch, guys. And yeah, we have to discuss our disclaimer before we start and start our live streaming. Remember, guys, our content here for educational purpose only. So let's get right to it, guys, and hunt for the market for today. Welcome, everybody. First of all, we got RPGL, 76% currently. This one might be good to watch. 76% pulled back now, start to reverse from the 42. We got Mask, the same, have an interesting reversal. Might happen at the market open. So, but the same, testing a new resistance around the 234. Is IDU waiting for a big buyer to break the seller place around 235. And OVX, it pulled back a lot from the 26, so I'm going to take it from the list. Welcome, everybody. We have a huge pullback for the markets. Huge pullback, especially for open. The market is correcting down recently. We'll see if we're going to have a major drastic reversal later on at the market open. Beyond Meat still currently getting flushed away toward the bottom. TRY the same, CGC the same, Rocket Lab, NVO, Lunar, DJT is kind of flushing down right now. Okay, the only one that look interesting is RPGL right now, and maybe Suba. The rest is pulling back a lot. Welcome, welcome everybody. Shout out to the new Mighty Hunter. Thank you for the support, Sonia 666. Welcome and thank you for the support, Sonia the Devil 666. Thank you for the support and being one of our new members and supporters on YouTube membership. Thank you so much for the support, Sonia. If you hear me, Good morning, Sam, Lizzie. Good morning, Xander. Beyond me currently holding 32% short interest. Still getting shorted. Shorter have easy time to short right now because the market is kind of pulling back before the close for this year. Usually we have this kind of reaction, guys, every year. The market maker closing some position before the close for the new year. As you can see here, RPGL is breaking out from the trend here. We got one level to break for this one to confirm a squeeze around the 50 cent. Let's see if we're gonna break this level. Good afternoon, John. So we got 15 minutes left. We did a little update in the pre-market as usual. We do a short analysis update for our hunters. And RPGL was on our list, as you can see here. Once the price was around the 47, right now is around the 47 once more. It pulled back a little bit. And yeah, we discussed the reversal from the 42. We went until the 43 and we reversed. It was here in the pre-market. We pulled back toward our support, now reversing up toward the resistance. RPGL. SOBA trying to break the 2.34 mask. We have double top here around the 31. We should break this level in order to squeeze. We got SIDU. It pulled back a lot. I will be extremely careful with this one because it's not that on the top gainer list for today. So it's not completely strong. I'm gonna keep those the three top stocks for today. Double checking if we have another one. Woke, we got reverse split. I think Woke have a reverse split, guys. SOBA. Let's check Woke together. Yeah. We have reverse split, guys, for Woke 1 to 100. Technically, right now is around the $6 territory. We got a few levels that we might go to. For now, yeah, the main seller is around the 678. Yeah, Walker was one of the top gainer before. Now just came again for another try to go toward almost the $10. Walker 100%. So I'm gonna keep it on the main list, guys. Walk looking fantastic here. Here we have undecision for a breakout from this level. Lowering the resistance around the 49 for this one. Yeah, 49 cent should be the current resistance for RBGL. For walk is still around the 678. Current support for walk is just over the 458. As a reminder, we have reverse split 1 to 100. So is last Friday we saw jump of 10,000%, but this is just reverse split. Now is 90% up after the news of reverse split for walk. This is walk. BNI. Welcome, George. Any thought on GNS support? I will check. George, NNE, will check. BNAI, NME. What else we got? GNS support. Uh, RAR, rare. RARE. Let us check. John, 41%. This is a huge dip stock. Dipped big time, big loser, I think. And I don't like it for now, man. I don't like it. I know why you asking, because there's opportunity for reversal, but highly risky, for my opinion, is getting near a major seller around the 2113. Yeah, it's too risky, brother. I don't like it. If it broke the 21, maybe, but now it's too risky. GNS, the same, is too risky, is barcoding right now. The support should be, yeah, the main support should be around the 48 cent. Now is not wise to buy unless we break the 80 cent. NNE, on the other hand, broke the support kind of. No, still didn't break the support around the 27.55. It might dip some more for today if we got a huge red market, at least toward 22. Yeah, watch out for the 22 dip. And the other dip is around 17. So 22.50, 17.40. If we broke the 27.55, we're gonna go there. In the meantime, I think we got a major seller place or resistant around the 30, 38, and after that 34. BNAI have a reverse split as well back in the beginning of December or the mid of December. Right now, have to break the 189 to squeeze up. But yeah, 36 now. It was on my list earlier, but I took it from the list for now. If we broke the 190, we'll keep it back or bring it back to our list. But now I don't like the technical that much. Walk is still on our main list, 110%. Main seller place or resistant or breakout squeeze is the 678. RPGL got shorted just around the below the resistance, the 50 cent. SOBA, I think, is kind of have a fake out here, so it's not the main seller place. The squeeze is the 279, so it's not ready yet. Mask, the same, around the 31 or almost the 33 level that we should squeeze at. But yeah, walk is the only one is walk today. The market is kind of sleeping. The market is kind of sleeping, everybody. MREO. MREO. Another top loser. Let's see. Yes, another top loser. John is a really risky strategy that you play in here. This one is almost 90% short open for this one. So it might continue to go down. The reason is because the announced phase 3 study results, I think, weren't that good. Doesn't meet the trial endpoint, the treatment for bone disorder. So it's really risky play, brother. After this bad news about the phase 3 trial. And as everybody knows, phase 3 trial is the most phase for any pharmaceutical company, for any development that they do for any drug. If the result is bad, it mean the drug is bad, and it mean they cancel the drug, and it mean they have to go to square one and fix this issue. So it's too problematic here. That's why it dropped 90%, man. 90% is not 10 or 20. Have a resistant around 27 and other resistant around 38. But I don't trust it, man. I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list to see if anything changed at the market open. Look at that. Walk, guys, is getting near major resistance. It might be the one to watch for today after this reverse split. 100. Imagine 100% jump for now. 110%. Today is the day for walk again. And maybe RPGL and SOBA could bring some action if only broke out from the current resistance. For Mask is the 32, SOBA is the 280. Guys, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. The market is about to open. We have a bit of weakness in the market. We have a bit of fear in the market before the close for this year. So the market is cautious, guys. The market is a bit cautious because the market is a bit close. Next Thursday will be closing. So the volatility is still low. Let's see if this week will be green before the end of this year. So far, the pre-market is red for many stocks, but now it might change at the market open. Let's see if we have a good buyer. So as a reminder, guys, we always go live every day to discuss the market 30 minutes before the market open and before that on our Discord and Bitcoin. Just shout out again to the new member on our YouTube membership, Sonia 666. Shout out to Sonia. Thank you for the support, being a paid member. And yeah, thank you for the support, Sonia. Beyond Meat shorted additionally 250. Beyond Meat is getting hammered by the short sellers again. Beyond Meat, guys, getting near the 81 support or around the 80 cents. So we should have a bit of drastic change here. Current resistance is the $1 something. Yeah, the $1 something. It is the current resistance, $1.02. And current support is the 80 cent. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Yes, the market is a bit bearish, especially for cannabis stock. Did their huge jump. Now they are pulling back a lot. Lunar DJT still pulling back. Yeah, we're still in the bearish side for many stocks. Hopefully, we're gonna have a bit of green for today because yes, last week was bloodbath. Two-minute left at the market open, guys. 2 minutes left. Let's get right to it and hunt for the market for today. So who's ready? Walk, guys. It might be the one who will walk the market up. Yes. This is where we should have some action for today. Walk should be the one to watch. However, Walk is not available to trade, I think, in European markets. It's only available to close, unfortunately. Let's get right to it, guys. We got 30 seconds. As a reminder, we always do our live streaming every day, 30 minutes before the market opens. So hit the like and subscribe and support the channel. And let us have a green day because the market is about to close this week on Thursday for the New Year Eve. So let's see if we're gonna close green for today. Walk is one of the stocks that have action today. Reverse split, guys. Last Monday, today had huge news and still halted. I think halted in pre-market. Walk on the pre-market. So it's not 20,000% up. It's just 100% up, guys, because of reverse split. So don't be confused. Imagine if it's up 21%, 1,000%. It mean if you put 1,000. You're gonna be a millionaire by now for 20,000 gain. RPGL pulling back. Mask nothing much. Walk is about to woke up and wake up and go toward the 8. Let's see how much. If I put 1,000 and it's back to return 20,000%. Even 2,000%, you're gonna 2,000%, you're gonna get oh, wait a second. Yeah, 200,000. 200,000 for 1,000. And if you put 10,000, this is 2 million. Anyway, Walk is pulling back down a bit. It need to break now the 620 to go up, guys. RPGL trying to go toward the 50 cent, which is the squeeze zone. Musk is trying. Open is reversing big time up. Beyond Meat reversing TRY. The market is kind of on steroid. Palantir is going down. What's going on with Palantir? Everything is reversing up except for Palantir. Interesting. We should have a huge reversal for the markets. Let's see. Yeah, we got a bit of reversal now. BNAI squeezing up. I'm gonna put it on the main list. Yeah, the rest is not good. Yeah, BNI, I'm gonna put it first now. BNAI, guys, it is number one right now. BNAI, watch out. BNAI. BNAI on the main list right now. BNAI, we got now a level we might test before 30 minutes. Yeah, around the 257. 257. I'm gonna update the support right now for BNAI around the 178, guys. Angers, yes. Woke still holding the 458. RPGL, nothing much. Super, nothing much. Mask, nothing much. So yeah, we got Woke and BNAI for today. What else? Palantir, we got a little bit of reversal. We might have a reversal for the market. Yes, a huge wick here for Palantir around the 184. Expecting a huge buying pressure. 184 should be a big buying pressure. B, on the other hand, yes, huge buying pressure here, 3% already. APLD, on the other hand, we got a big buyer for APLD. Yeah, unusual buyer as usual. BNI trying, guys, toward the 257. Walk, we got support break. We have only one support now to hold if we're gonna have some action. Lowering the resistance for it around 517. RBGL, no good, man, no good. It broke the first support, almost break this first support. Wait a second. SIDU might be great to watch as well. Is about to break the 235. Let us go and see the main gainers for today, just in case. We got Walk, nothing. BNAI is number one, getting near the squeeze zone around 257. ASPC, this one might be good as well to watch for today, to go at least around 36.57, but it's not penny stock. It is a bit expensive here. ASPC. Now let's see if we have some stocks getting halted right now. ASPC is still halted. MREO already been halted in pre-market with RARE. Those two, I think, John, you asked me about them, but GLTR, I don't know about this one. Yeah, ASPC is halted up, guys. I think we got some news for this one. Let's see, GLTR. GLTR. Not good. ASPC unhalted resumption around the 35. Hit the 35 exactly, and now it's pulling back. I'm gonna put support for it around 29, 21. We should hold this support in order to go up. RPGL, I don't like it that much. Broke the first support. We're gonna keep BNAI number one with SOBA. Wait a second. SIDU, SPC, of course, and BNAI. Yes. Let us go and see the top gainers again here. We might miss something. Whoa, RPGL must no. Top loser, we got MREO, XTKG. I think this one was on the top gainer list before. Yeah, is dumping down. BNAI guys is losing a bit of momentum here. We're gonna confirm if we lost the momentum if we broke the 212. ASPC guys is squeezing up, and I think it's halted again up. Watch out for the $40. I think this is will be it. Yeah, the $40 could be it for this stock. Huge, humongous seller place for ASPC. Halted up again. Karina, 80K shares gave up Beyond Meat. Thank you for the heads up, Karina. Beyond Meat 2%. Tier Y CGC putting back. Lunar, nothing much here. Yeah, ASPC looking fantastic here. Let's see. Strong buy. I don't know the price target for it. Guys, ASPC is still halted up, halted twice. Halted twice up. Let me just double check if it halted twice or three times. ASPC is still currently halted. This is the first, this is the second, just 2 minutes before the market open. So it's halted up twice with reason code LUDP, volatility halt. Volatility trading pause. SMX is halted. SMX, if you don't know, guys, this one it was on the top gainer list, now on the top loser list. It's been halted down 24% and it's still down. Look at this. This one was around 490, guys, SMX. Just beginning of December, around the 400. Now it's just $88 and it's still flushing down. This one could be really interesting to keep our eyes closed at it because it's getting near a nice bottom here. John, this one could be really interesting for a dip because it's still strong and it was overextended lately and now is correcting down, so it is not bad to watch. Yeah, it's flushing down. It could be great to watch. It's getting near a nice dip. Let's see, now 29%. We might have 50% down would be great. Another 25%. The flush has started, guys, for this one. Be careful. Huge flush has started. SMX, I'm gonna keep it here just in case if we reversed. However, BNAI and ASPC on the top gainer list with SIDU. Those the best ones. Beyond Meat, 4%, not bad. 5% now. We got a drastic reversal happening right now. 95 from the 87, now around almost the 97. It want to break the resistance around the $2, 1 2 cent. I mean, we have big buyers for Beyond Meat, 5% now. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button and the way in. Support the channel. The market almost closed for this year, guys. Almost closed. So let us have a huge green day. Yes, Beyond Meat doing all right. It might reverse now around the 102. Watch out, guys. 102 or 1 2 cent. We got a drastic change here for the trend. Drastic change. We might have a drastic change right now. This is it, guys. Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat. Remember, guys, before we go and discuss Beyond Meat price action, because right now start to reverse from the bottom, huge whale buying before the market close for this year. So before we go further, remember our content here for education purposes only. Look at this. We have a reversal of almost 6% for Beyond Meat at the market open. Because we tested this channel from below. As you can see here, we have this white channel, which is the buying pressure place. Every time we test this level, we have a little bit of reversal, little bit of reversal. This time we need to break over the $1.02 in order to hold and then confirm the squeeze when we break the $1.30. So we need to escape from this channel, guys, like what we did before. This channel is not normal because this channel will give us a confirmation like what happened at the end of November when we squeeze almost 60%. Let's see how much we reverse here. Yeah, almost 80% reversal. So now if we reverse from here around the 113, we might do another 100% reversal around the $2 before the end of this year. So this is will be it for Beyond Meat. If we held over the 81 cent or preferably over this white line and break the 102 for the first signal for that the whale starts to buy, and this time we need to hold over the one, then go over, break the 125 and go toward the $2 before the end of this year. Because why we need to break this level for this year is psychological level first, guys, and will be a great indicator that we have a fundamental change for the next year, because everything will happen. Sometimes the change happen before the end of this year and sometimes happen at the beginning of the next year. So if it happened for this week, would be a good indicator that Beyond Meat will have a strong next year or next week, because the next year will start on Friday. So watch out for this reversal, guys. It might happen like what happened here, as we said before. We did the short before, even on our Discord. If you don't know, guys, we always do updates here on our Discord and Bitcoin before the market open. And we already discussed this breakout zone for Beyond Meat, and we said that even on our YouTube channel that the squeeze have started. It started a little bit, but we didn't have enough volume and enough buyers around the 150. That's why we pulled back. So now, as we said, as long as we hold the over the 80 cent or over this white line and break this channel, which is the bearish channel, we're gonna have a squeeze at least 80 or 100% for the next time to test the $2 psychological level before the end of this year. Cheers, Sam. Thank you, man. Blue is my favorite color, man. Beside the black, of course, because technically black is not a color. So, so what we've got here, let us see what we've got here. We got BNAI still trying, guys. BNAI still trying so hard to go around the 257. ASPC now is halted down, I think. Yes, it didn't go toward the 40, but hopefully we hold over the 30 cent or the $30 to confirm a squeeze later on. SI dudes getting near the $2.37 breakout. Walk is pulling back down, so it's weak now. Mask is pulling back down, so it's weak now. SMX, SMX guys getting near a nice bottom, from my opinion. Humongous bottom is coming up for SMX, guys. So, wow. Yeah, we might have a nice reversal. SMX. Who's watching SMX? He's getting hammered by the short sellers. 37%. Anyway, we got ASPC still pulling back down. BNAI is still jumping up. Let us see cryptos. Cryptos is neutral. That means let's check again the top gainer list for today. Walk, nothing. BNAI, SOPA. SOPA is getting near the breakout zone. Wait a second, is SOBA on the list? Yeah, I'm sure put it on the list because it looks wrong now. Checking again the top halted stocks for today. Yeah, SBC still halted, guys. Halted down this time. It halted twice up, and now the third time is halted down. This IDU still trying to break up, but without any luck. We need to be patient a bit, guys. What about eight co-holding? Please, brother, Mary, put the ticker symbol, man. Make it easier for me. Like some CCTG. It's really simple to write the ticker. CCTG. I think we already covered this one early on. Got before NCL, game over here. CMCT, no good. PCLA, no good. What we got? CCTG. Still dangerous. It's light on volume now. Soba, yes, it's still on our list, brother. Looking really great now because it started to reverse from the current support, which it was over the $2. Yeah, Soba looking fantastic. 44% up and 44 million worth of volume. ASPC, I'm still waiting for this one to get unhalted, guys. The market will be closed on Thursday, guys. So that's why we don't have a lot of unicorn. Even in pre-market, the market was a bit slow, for my opinion. It was a little bit slow for me to trade. So I have to be careful with the markets. This is always the case, guys. Before the end of this year or even the last year, we have a bit of volatility drop. Volatility drop. Denise, AEHL, ORBS. ORBS AHEL AH or AE. Let us check ORBS. Yeah, not bad. Still light on volume, but is currently doing fantastic. It's going toward the $2. Yeah, we have $2.35 as a resistance. It might go toward the 250. For now, I think we got a bit of support around the $2.09. AEHL, I don't like it that much, even though it's have a reversal of 17, but is heavily shorted around the 186. So I don't like it that much. ORBS, maybe I will keep it here on the list to cover it later after we have a good buyer, because right now it's a bit slow. ASPC guys broke the first support, so I'm gonna lower the support now around 27. We have a humongous seller came around 37, so now it's a bit dangerous. So I'm gonna put it on the later list. Yeah, we got SOBA and BNAI looking great now. The rest is kind of not confirmed. It's not that strong. CMCT, no, I didn't check it out, man. The market was opening once you asked me about this one. CMCT, brother, technically is dead right now. We have big seller around the 5. Now it's light on volume, really light. There's no news. This one is depend on the news, because last time we jumped, it have huge news last on the 26th of December, 22nd of December. Now is dead again. So I don't suggest buying now. Wait until we break the 5 at least. Now it's too dangerous to buy, because if you buy, your money will be hostage by the stock. You just think twice before buying any stock. This is the trick. Okay, guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming for now. And of course, we're gonna do a major update later on our Discord and Patreon, because now BNAI is pulling back. We have a bit of pullback for the market. SIDU is breaking out. The other one is almost breaking out. ORBS is breaking out. ASPC is pulling back. SMX is pulling back down. So yeah, we're gonna do a major update here, guys, as usual on our Discord and Patreon to discuss the unicorn day trade stocks and update some of the swing trade stocks before the close for today. But watch out, the market is a bit slow. We don't have a lot of stocks that doing all right, but yeah, we got a few stocks that doing fantastic now. So we're gonna do a major update on our Discord before or after we finish our live streaming right now. George, SOUN is still the same chart. Let's check very quick. SOUN is the same chart. No, it broke the support, man. Or still, no, it's still the same chart, yes. The 1038 is the support, current resistance is 11, and then 1150. But yeah, it's heavily shorted, brother. But the good reaction is we start to reverse from the bottom around the 1037. If we don't hold, we have to watch for the 984 reversal zone for SOUN. This is it for now, guys. Watch out for a major update. I'm gonna do a huge update later on our Discord. In the meantime, see you all back by tomorrow to discuss the market 30 minutes before the market open. And before that, of course, on our Discord, where we do the update almost 3 hours. We do always video update for the whole market, that for the best trade we do daily. And after that, we do before the market open by 1 hour or 2 hours, watch list the stock that I'm watching, chart update, entry and exit for many stocks, and even the game plan. How do you actually trade those stocks? Everything in link in comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you all back by tomorrow.